My name is Jackson Crane, and I'm here to present the color orange. I'm not here to sell you anything, I'm here to change your life. How am I going to do that? I'm going to do that simply with the color orange. First off, orange is going to make you stand out. Picture this. You just graduated college and you're ready to start your dream job. After the long application, you finally land the interview. When you show up, there's 50 other people getting ready to do the same interview. The thing is, they're all wearing the same thing, the plain and boring navy or gray blazer. But not you. You're rocking the orange blazer. You stand out. The manager you're interviewing is thinking, this guy's got guts. He remembers your face. He remembers how you crushed the interview, how you stood out from the other 50. And boom, you just got the job of your dream because you stood out from the crowd and you wore the color orange. Second thing, orange is for winners. Look at the Clemson national football team. If you don't think the color orange played a part in our victories, you better think again. The courage and rejuvenation symbolism in the color orange is the pinnacle to our team's success. So I just want to know, are you content with your life? Just fitting in with the crowd? Or are you ready to stand out and finally be a winner? If you're ready to be a winner, then you need the color orange.